Hey there, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to buy Robux using Gcash. So you are trying to buy some Robux using Gcash and you have no idea how to do that. So don't worry, I'm here to help you. So all you have to do is open your Robux. It works on all the devices. All right, open your Robux and you need to tap this option, or you can say logo. Just tap here, and as you can see it says Buy Robux. Tap here, and after you do that you have to select the amount of Robux you want to buy. Okay, so just select the amount. I'm gonna be selecting this amount for the video. All right, so now as you can see there are some payment options. First one is credit card, and second debit card, PayPal, redeem Robux card, but we can't see Gcash. So don't worry, we have these options. We just press this button, and after we press this button we wait for some time, and now we find this option. All you have to do is change country, or in your case it might be here you will find Gcash, but if you don't find Gcash in this place, all right, so you just have to press this option, and after that search for Gcash. Okay, as you can see we have Gcash. You have to select your country from here. Just select your country, and after selecting your country just select Gcash and you will find Gcash here. Okay, so this is how you buy Robux using Gcash on Roblox. So this is pretty simple. I hope you guys got the idea. Thanks for watching and have a great day.